Okay, we're outside of 614 Pine Street. Beautiful apartment building in the Society Hill section of Philadelphia. We're between 6th and 7th Street. Just a couple blocks to Washington Square Park, up this way or that way. We are just a couple blocks from Center City. Rittenhouse Square is not too far from here either. Walnut Street, Chestnut Street. South Street is a couple blocks that way, where there's tons of bars, restaurants. There's so many coffee shops around. Just a fantastic little neighborhood and beautiful street. Very well known in Philadelphia. This is a brownstone with, again, a number of units inside. This is the block. Very pretty. So it looks like there's 6 units in here right now. Okay. There's a double locking front door. So this door locks. Here's your mailboxes. Zoom out. There's your mailboxes. Too close. Light is on 24/7. Again, this door automatically locks and closes, which is a great security feature. There's a peephole in this door, and there's a window here. Just keeps things very safe and nice. So again, this door also locks. And that's the initial entrance to the building. After this, if there's a unit that we're showing, which we will be, we connect that video to this one. So this is the space, beautiful building, and hope you enjoy the unit.
Hey everyone, I just came into 614 Pine Street. This is the hallway. That door will take you to the outside where you keep your trashes. I'm about to show you a 1-bedroom unit on the 2nd floor. This is 3-story building. There are 2 units on each floor. The unit I'm about to show you is 2F. So, as I walk in, the first thing you see is a beautiful hardwood floor and a very high ceiling. Apartment buildings. Here on my left, next to the door, you have closet space, big closet space, the shelf. There up front, this is the kitchen. And here, over there is a bathroom, and on this side is a bedroom. So let's start with the kitchen first. As you could see, the whole apartment has hardwood floor, and the kitchen has hardwood floor as well. And you have a huge window. I didn't turn on any light. It is the apartment by itself is very bright, so it attracts a lot of natural light. And in the kitchen we have upgraded countertop, deep sink, you have a dishwasher, you have a lot of storage cabinets, you have cooktop and oven, you have built-in microwave, and also you have a refrigerator. be watching out through the window to the Pine Street. This is your living area. It has two huge windows. At that corner, you have a closet. In that closet, you have a washer and dryer. You have a split system central for the heat and air. It's a big living area you have here. Now I'm going to show you the washer and dryer in this closet. Next is the bathroom. It has a beautiful tile floor, a tile wall, deep bathtub, a toilet. You have sink and mirror. Nice size big bathroom here. Then next to that, in the hallway, you have a closet space. The last room I would like to show you is a bedroom. It's a big bedroom with two windows, a lot of natural light. You have a huge closet here on my left as I walk in. You also have a big storage space on the top of this closet. This is the back of the building. Alright guys, I just showed you a one bedroom unit at 614 Pine Street. The unit number is 2F. It's a beautiful apartment. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.